Hello, my name is Jan and today I would like to show you the purchase process via our client portal ProfondConnect. To make a purchase, you need to log into ProfondConnect and click on Self-Service in the menu on the left. The menu point opens and Purchase in Pension Fund is displayed. Click on this. This opens the interface that you use to start a purchase. You will see your maximum purchase amount and can now enter the amount of the purchase you wish to make. As soon as you have entered the amount you want, the purchase date will be filled in automatically for the first day of the following month. You can edit this field, meaning that you can plan your purchase for a later point in time. Click on Calculate. A new calculation of your expected retirement capital will appear, as well as your expected retirement pension. Click on the Self-Declaration button at the top left. Check all of the information that is shown. If necessary, update this information and then click on OK. Now click on Validate Request, and then on Send. 2 PDF files will now appear. The Payment for Purchase PDF is the payment slip that you can use to make the payment. When you have made the payment, after it is successfully processed, you will receive confirmation in a message with the title Certificate of Pension Contributions in ProfondConnect. You can attach this certificate to your tax return. Hopefully I have been able to show you the successful purchase process in ProfondConnect and wish you a good day.